Hello, it's Marcus Adkins with Orlando Microgreens, and today I wanted to go over with you how we seed our trays, some of the techniques we use. So stick around, we'll be right back. Hey guys, so I do have two trays that we had already set up in the last video, and we're gonna go ahead and seed those with broccoli and mustard wasabi. I'll show you how I do those, and then we'll talk about some of the other techniques you could use. Now with broccoli and mustard wasabi and seeds like that, they're kind of small, they're gonna bounce around. So after you get your trays set up, you're definitely gonna wanna mist it real good with water. Really just trying to get a nice little mist on there, and that will definitely help the seeds stick in place. Once you get that in there, we'll go ahead and sprinkle our seeds. These are the broccoli seeds. They're very small. And I just put them in my hand like that, and then I'll let them come out the sides and the front like that. And I just keep on rolling my thumb around a little bit to push them up to the ends of my fingers. And I follow around the edges till they're nice. And then I go back through the center. And then I'm watching for some of these low spots you can see that aren't perfect. That's where the seeds kind of roll in. And some of these thin spots, I just want to slowly build the seeds up to where they're nice and even all the way through. Now with the broccoli, I'm seeding at about 35 grams. Some people I know are going 40, 45, 50. It works well for me. I like the 35 grams. Now, if you like our videos, please go ahead and smash the like button. It does a lot with the YouTube algorithms. Subscribe, ring the bell so you get future notifications, and leave a comment if you have any questions about what we're doing. And then just to put the mustard in there, you can see it's about the same size seed. They're just really bright, so you guys can see them on the video real well. So the mustard, I'm gonna be seeding it about the same, about 35 grams. Some people use seasoning shakers. You can save some of the seasoning shakers. I've never messed with that, but I hear that works good. Okay, so once you get all your seeds in, now you're gonna wanna easily at first get a little bit of moisture on, because if you get too close, the water itself is gonna start moving it around. So you just wanna mist it until it's all in place. And then you can get in there and give it a little bit closer watering. Now it goes same say like peas. The peas, I'm going at about 225 grams. Now they're quite different because first you've soaked them so they're wet and they're much larger. So they're real easy to go ahead and just, you could either roll them out like marbles, or you can just pour the whole bowl out and then just push them around. They're easy to move around once you get them in there. They're not very difficult to move back around if they're not sitting right where you want them after you put them in. Now sunflowers, I'm not soaking sunflowers anymore, so it's been a lot easier to spread them, and then they're large enough to where it's easy to pick them and move them around or brush them to one side or the other. And wheatgrass seeds, they're easy to throw out of the whatever container you have in, just put them in there, a couple piles, and then they're easy to spread out from edge to edge. Now after you get everything watered, then you're gonna go ahead and stack your trays, and that'll bring us to our next video where I'm gonna go over some of our germination practices here at Orlando Microgreens. Well, thanks for joining us. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. You guys have a beautiful day.